friends. I've come to read you one of my favorite stories. It's called Strictly No Elephants, and it was written by one of my favorite authors. Her name is Lisa Mantchev, and she lives right down the street. Let's get started. Let's find our title page. There it is, Strictly No Elephants by Lisa Mantchev. She even has an inscription in this one for me that says, "For Mrs. Hopper and all her amazing kids, all are welcome." I do have amazing kids. Here we go. The trouble with having a tiny elephant for a pet is that you never quite fit in. No one else has an elephant. Every day I take my elephant for a walk. His is a very thoughtful sort of walk. I love how he's holding the umbrella for his friend. He doesn't like the cracks in the sidewalks much. I always go back and help him over. That's what friends do. They lift each other over the cracks. Today I'm walking my tiny elephant to number 17. It's Pet Club Day and everyone will be there. Come along, there's a good boy. I coax him the last few feet. It'll be fine. When I look up, there's a sign on the door. Strictly no elephants. My tiny elephant leads me back to the sidewalk, never minding the cracks. That's what friends do. Brave the scary things for you. Did you try to go to the pet club meeting too? The girl asks. Yes, I say, but they don't allow elephants. The sign didn't mention skunks, the girl says, but they don't want us to play with them either. They don't know any better, I tell her. He doesn't stink, the girl adds. No, he doesn't, I agree. What if we start our own club? Come along, I say, making certain that my tiny elephant follows me, because that's what friends do. Never leave anyone behind. Look at all those new friends coming to join their club. We can play here, one of our new friends say. All of us. So we paint our own sign. It says, "Strictly no strangers and no spoil sports." That's crossed out. And underneath they painted, "All are welcome." My tiny elephant will give you directions if you need them. Because that's what friends do. I hope you liked that story. I liked how there were all those wonderful messages about what it means to be a friend. never leaving anybody behind and helping somebody when they need a little bit of help, and including everybody, because nobody likes to be left out. I hope you all have a good day or a good evening, and I will see you soon. Bye.